Welcome to the channel, toyotaFANatic81. I started this channel because my vehicles were never just daily drivers, they were always projects, so it only made sense to record everything I did. I had to do the work anyways, so why not have the camera rolling while I did it? There are two main vehicles that you'll see featured on this channel. The first is a vehicle I used to own, and that's a 5th generation Toyota 4Runner. Specifically, it was a 2011 SR5 with an upgraded package. The next one, and my current vehicle, is a 2nd generation Toyota Tundra. Specifically, it's a 2014 Platinum Crew Max. Every once in a while, you'll see me feature another vehicle on this channel, and you'll see my wife's car from time to time. But in general, this channel is about the 4Runner and the Tundra. Now, on some channels, all the work gets done at a commercial shop, and there's nothing wrong with that. Having a mechanic look at your vehicle and do the work is probably the smart option for most people. On other channels, the owner gets the work done themselves because they have the knowledge and they're mechanically inclined enough to get the job done. On my channel, it's a mix of both. There are definitely some jobs I'm taking my truck to a mechanic for, no doubt about that. But there are other things I know I can get done on my own. Regardless of which way the work gets done, my goal is to put out videos that are informative and helpful. This content should help you make smart decisions on the changes you want to make to your vehicle. It's my hope that after you watch a few of these videos, you decide to subscribe. And it's a good idea to hit the bell icon so you know when I put out another modification or do-it-yourself video. If you find any of this content helpful, or at the very least entertaining, please smash that like button. It's a huge help for this channel. Okay, it's time for me to stop talking. By all means, please dive into the videos on this channel. I know you'll find something useful. Enjoy!